Building the Mark 1 Scout. Stick around. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in again. So I have another build. This is a customer's order. Again, like I said, if you go to the website 3riverblades.com, you could check out all the little different options that you have up there. Again, it's not a custom order per se. I'm just giving you options such as this customer wanted blue and black G10, plus he wanted tubes instead of pins. So that was available. Also, this is the Mark 1 Scout, and it is in 154 cm stainless. Now, I don't have that many of these. I don't think I'm going to make any more of these. I think I started with over 100 of them, and I'm down to like 2 or 3. So I don't have a lot. If you want one of these, you're going to have to get on the website real quickly, and you're going to have to purchase one. What I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below if you like these videos. Go to 3riverblades.com to support this channel. Also check out my other channels. I'll put all the links down below. You could also become a Patreon member if you like, where I will upload this video prior to anybody else seeing it, and you'll be able to watch it there. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this knife. Thank you for tuning in. Check all the links down below, and I'll see you in a bit. guys, there it is. I hope you liked it. It does come with a nice Kydex sheath. I hope you appreciate this. Guys, if you're interested in these knives, you got to go to ThreeRiverBlades.com. I'm running out of a lot of my old stock. As you guys know, I like to keep progressing my designs and my styles, so I don't know how long the style is going to be available. This is one of the stainless steel knives that I carry right now. I don't know if I'm going to be carrying it in the future, but this makes an excellent bushcraft knife, an excellent hunting knife. This is the Mark I Scout. Go to ThreeRiverBlades.com. Also, like, subscribe, put some comments down below. Check out all the links I have down there. And as always, guys, please stay safe.